back to Keto Naturopath Kitchen. Today I'm continuing with my lemon theme. Why am I doing all this lemon? Because I've started my own homemade limoncello, and I had, with the limoncello, you take the peels, and I had all these lemons left over. I juiced them, so now we're using lemon for a while. Then I'm going to show you how I make my limoncello in a few weeks. So today we start off by putting 6 egg yolks in a pan and beat them up. To that I'm adding 100 grams of xylitol. Now I'm trying not to use a lot of xylitol or sweeteners. Stevia is my sweetener of choice, so I will taste this. I also don't like things really sweet, so I always reduce the amount of sweetener. And I took this is from, I think it's called Preppy Kitchen. I took his recipe and I ketofied it, but I also changed it a little. So I'm using half of what the sweetener he said to use. And so I'm also, I'll taste it. If it's not sweet enough later, I will add some stevia. We're going to put this on low heat, stirring. And we're going to add the lemon juice. I'm using 150 milliliters of lemon juice, which is about 3/4 of a cup. Stir that in. We're going to heat this mixture until it thickens, and that's going to be about 170 degrees. You want to keep stirring, and you don't want to overcook it because you don't want the eggs to cook. Okay, this is really thickening now. It might be over 170 degrees. Actually, it's well over 170 degrees. But as you can see, it's thickening up. I'm actually going to turn it off. This is 1 stick of US butter, 6 tablespoons, or a half a cup. So you add the cold butter, cut it into small pieces. And you continue stirring until all the butter melts. I don't make lemon curd often because we don't do dairy. And butter is dairy, although it's one of the least offensive dairy items to eat. Not all melted yet, but this looks really good. I don't have lumps in it, and I invariably get lumps when I use egg yolks. Oh, this is going to be good. So what I'm going to do right now is put it into a mason jar to cool. You could also strain it. I was going to strain it, but I don't see any lumps in mine, so I'm just going to pour it in. I would just eat it like it is. You could put it on cinnamon bread or any egg-based breads, any keto bread, on muffins, in muffins. I'm just going to try it right now. Oh, that tastes delicious. Oh, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator, and I'm going to have some of this tonight. I cannot wait. Lemon curd. Keto lemon curd.